this is Jelly and I will be your teacher for today. And this is 21st century literature. In our last video, we talked about Module 1. Today, we are going to be talking about Module 2. Let's start with Lesson 1. Representative texts and authors from Asia, North America, Europe, Latin America, and Africa. At the end of this lesson, you are expected to, number 1, understand the nature of world literature. Number 2, enumerate representative texts and authors from Asia, North America, Europe, Latin America, and Africa. Number 3, appreciate the contribution of these authors and texts to world literature. But first, let's fly across the world. As we know, we have 7 continents, right? They are Asia, Europe, Australia, North America, South America, Africa, and Antarctica. Can you tell me which of these continents do these countries belong? Okay, are you ready? Let's start. I'll give you 5 seconds in each question. Number 1, Japan. You were right, it's Asia. Number 2, Korea. You were right, it's Asia. Number 3, Colombia. You are right, it's South America. Number 4, Greece. Absolutely, Europe. Number 5, Spain. Europe. Number 6, Portugal. You were right, it's North America. Number 7, Egypt. Correct, in Asia. Number 8, Kenya. Very good, Africa. Number 9, Tanzania. Very good, Africa. Number 10, China. You are right, it's in Asia. Number 11, Mexico. Correct, North America. Number 12, USA. Very good, North America. Did you get it right? Very good. So now we are ready. What is world literature? World literature is the totality of all national literature. The formation of literature in different countries happened not at the same time, which is connected with the emergence of writing and artistic creativity. Each nation's literature has its own artistic and national features. They enrich each other by borrowing certain literary elements. The term world literature was introduced by Johann Wolfgang von Goethe. He used the term Weltliteratur in 1827. Goethe studied the characteristics and features and interrelationships of different national literatures, the tendencies of their development, and their achievements. He studied the works of famous writers which presented different literary phenomena of different historic periods. He claimed that literature shouldn't be restrained by national boundaries. In 1894, the world saw the first book about world literature, The History of World Literature. The world literature emerged because of the development of global economic and cultural religions. This global literary process was also caused by the rapid development of national literatures. In the history of world literature, we define several stages of its development, such as the literature of Bronze Age, classical literature, early medieval literature, early modern, and modern literature. World literature is the cultural heritage of all humanity. It is essential to study world literature as it helps us to understand the life of different people all over the world, forms our world outlook, and acquaints us with the masterpieces of literature.